Today we are going to do some automatic shading. So the first thing we are going to do is draw 3 circles. Then go up to the top left hand corner and select the ribbon icon, which is the selection icon. Then a menu will drop up down the bottom. Make sure you select the automatic selection, which is highlighted in blue. After that, click in the middle of the circle that you want to select, and the middle of the circle should turn blue. Once it's turned blue, we have 2 options. We can either do a fill color, or we can go up the top and select the brush and choose a brush that we're going to paint within the circle. This makes it very easy for shading. Can turn that up. So after you've done, deselect the selection up the top left and zoom in. You will see some dots around the outside, but that's okay because you can go back in with any of your brushes and just tidy it up a bit to get rid of those dots around the edges. Check out my How to Draw playlist and subscribe for more updates.